Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have a pepperoni pinwheel. Alright, as you can see here, I've got some pizza crust, and I'm just brushing some pizza sauce that we made. We made this for the Pizza Sloppy Joes last week. Link in the description to that video. And, yeah, basically you just want to spread a little bit of this out. Okay, and now you want to add a layer of pepperonis. To be specific, these are deli-style pepperonis. And then you want to add a layer of mozzarella. And then you just want to start rolling this thing. And you want to kind of pay attention to the sides. Kind of crimping them in and out, making sure they're all sealed up. Because, again, you don't want this to leak all over when you're going to bake it. By the way, you should have a oven preheating to 425 degrees. Should be left with something a little bit like that. Now, you're going to want to pop this into that oven for 9 minutes. And then you're going to want to take it out, and we got another step to do. All right, let's zip ahead 9 minutes. Okie dokie. 9 minutes have passed. And now it's time to brush this thing with some melted butter. And then after we've brushed the butter, we're going to put it back in the oven for about, I'd say roughly 12 minutes. You really want to go by sight on this one. So about 12, 13 more minutes in the oven. All right, let's zip ahead in time again. Okie dokie, 12 minutes have passed, it's done, but of course, we have to let it rest. And you're going to want to let this rest a good little while too, because if you cut into it too early, it's just going to explode all over. Okay, now it's time to cut this damn thing. And you should get about 12 or so servings out of it. Again, there's no real size here, but again, this is why you need to let it rest. Otherwise, boom, you would have had shit all over the cutting board. Alrighty, and that's basically it. If I had to do one thing differently, I wish I had a little bit more pizza sauce, and I would have ladled that over the top of this. But this was still delicious anyway. But yeah, outside of that, that is a pepperoni pinwheel. Done.